Morning, y'all. Have y'all ever remembered the poke stick that they used to have at the washaterias? Well, this stick is just, I bought it at the Dollar Tree, you know, it's the plunger, bullet plunger. And they're so cheap anyway, I just throw the head away. It's my poke stick. Well, I don't really need it in this washer because it goes down real good. And a lot of people use these because they were over putting clothes in there. You see, you don't really see any clothes up here. It's full load. But anyway, these are dark colors. And I used about a half a cup of this Arm & Hammer soap. And then a little Downy. Well, anyway, your water's going to look dirty because you're doing darks. See? That's mainly from your clothes, the color of your clothes. But anyway, you see I don't have soap bubbles up there. If you have too many soap bubbles, it can't wash out of your clothes and it just builds up and clothes really become dirtier and dirtier. So don't put a cup in there. I use a half cup for real dirty clothes and a quarter cup for not dirty clothes. I mean, you know, like towels or something. I don't put very much in there. But anyway, I will second rinse this washer's manual. So when it stops over here, full cycle, after it, let's see, it's up here on heavy duty because there's jeans in there, and when this goes off, I'm just going to reset it back on rinse, and I'm not going to add any more Downy to it because you get too much build up in your clothes. So anyway, and if you have to pre-treat, go ahead and do that. I didn't see anything on these though. Anyway, most of that is dye off of jeans and stuff. It's not brown water, it's gray, and you would expect that off of dark colors. Another thing, you add too much soap, you're washing too much dye off of your clothes. Okay, that's all I have. Goodbye, y'all. Have a good day.